Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the hotkey for screenshot in Steam. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the Steam application in my PC and have already logged in case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to change the screenshot hotkey. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the top left. There is a button like this called as Steam. Click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. Do note that there are lots of options, but right now all we want to do is focus on this thing called as Settings. Click on it right now. Once you do, this thing will pop up. Now let's simply look at how to change the hotkey for screenshot. Well, there are lots of options as you can see, but no need to be confused. What you guys have to do is simply shift right over to this tab called as In-Game. Click on it right now. From here, you can view the in-game settings. Simply scroll down, and guys, right here in the screenshot tab, you can see something called as Take a Screenshot, and right next to it, there is a button associated with it. Simply click on it. Now what you guys need to do is simply type any button of your choice, and it will automatically be updated. I'm gonna type A right now. And guys, as you can see, the hotkey has been changed. As you can see, I'm gonna do it once again. This is it, guys. And once you are okay with it, simply hit on confirm. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we change the screenshot hotkey. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.